Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. HBAR, just invalidated our triangle yesterday. That was the triangle that I was tracking in the white scenario where we said a third wave topped here around the 3rd of December, and this was an A wave down, this was a B wave up, a C wave down, a D wave up, and that should not have broken above this internal swing high, and now an E wave down, yeah? Okay, not sure why it's not showing, but this is pretty much what we would expect, in such an Elliott wave triangle. One more higher low actually would be ideal, or let's say needed in such a structure, in such a triangle. A triangle pattern is typically a series of higher lows and lower highs. Now I have to say, when we talk about Elliott wave triangles, if we're getting, for example, a pattern, right, where we have A, B, and then the D wave as well, and the D wave goes just slightly above the B wave high in a volatile market, technically that's acceptable, okay? But I found that it is unreliable. So I don't call it a valid Elliott wave triangle anymore. All that means is that maybe the triangle finished here and we had our A, B, C, D, E. That is a valid Elliott wave count, but I don't like this wave count because this here looks more like 5 waves up, 3 waves down, right? So it's not... if it's a D wave, it should have been a 3-wave move up, 3 waves down. But anyway, that goes very much into the detail. I decided to either call the Elliott wave correction. It's not a triangle then, but then we call it maybe a WXY structure, to call it possibly complete. But that would require, as per previous updates, really a break above the 3rd of December high. Another reason why I don't believe the triangle completed is because typically as soon as a triangle completes, it's a very rapid surge to the upside. Now we haven't seen that, okay? So I say either the wave 4 is in and we are ideally going higher like that, and that would mean that the third wave here, so we are already working on circle 5, and that would mean the internal third wave is actually probably still unfolding, because what would be ideal is to reach the next upside level at around 48 cents. And the wave count would be 1, 2, and then maybe this was a small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in 3, then 4, then 5. So this would be ideal. The question is, of course, okay, how long, or, what would be micro support? Now, I'm not showing you, at least not on the chart at the moment, additional support, but we can just talk about it. It would typically be the 50% FIB level at 28.7 cents. As long as we're holding above it, there's a chance it goes up more directly, okay? Below 28.7 cents, 28.8 cents, it falls back into the range, would either continue and extend the white scenario here, or we have a top in the orange count. But the orange count is the short-term bearish count, not preferred until we break below 23 cents. Absolutely valid, however. Definitely a wave count that reminds us that we should be on our toes here. Because if it's a C wave down that starts, it will likely send us below the 23 cent level and probably close to or into the lower support area between 16.7 cents and 9.8 cents. So overall, we are still in a range. The price hasn't really broken out to the upside, but it could be. We're now on our way, possibly in circle wave 5. That, however, only as long as micro support holds, which is located at 28.8, 28.7 cents. So really nothing meaningful yet, because it's only a 3-wave move up and this correction can still extend. Support remains where it is. I'm not changing support. It still remains at the moment between 23 and 26 cents. The main support, okay? I just showed you like micro nano support, really, that tells us when this upside breakout attempt fails. It's not really a breakout attempt, actually. It's just at the moment we're just moving to the upper boundary of the range. So it's a quiet day for HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.